Hello everyone and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I've repeatedly spoken about wanting to own two vehicles in particular. Both have six-cylinder engines. One has a manual gearbox, the other has an automatic. Now, through a lot of patience and hard work, probably more patience than hard work, I've finally been able to put myself into a position where I can actually acquire one of these vehicles. So I know typically in these My New Car videos, you find someone in some sort of gorgeous location or a freshly polished showroom receiving their car. Of course, in the style of my channel, I'm not having that experience because I bought my car unseen from a dealership in the north of the country, a good few hundred miles away. I saw it online, I did all the various checks, a HPI check to see if it's been crashed, see if there's any finance outstanding, if it's been imported, if the colour's been changed, etc, etc. That was all good. I looked at the car's history online, that's all perfect, all main dealer. The car's being sold at a main dealer anyway and comes with a warranty, so that's all very good. So the car looks great, but what it does mean is that in addition to it being all of your first time seeing it, it's also my first time seeing the car. I'm currently waiting at the front here just to get my first glimpses of the car. So the next time I start filming, it will be showing you exactly what I've bought. Okay, so it's finally time for the big reveal. I can show you that I haven't bought an ambulance, but I'm going to wait for the delivery truck to come by. I have purchased a Jaguar F-type V6 S. Now I'll go through all the spec and everything in a second video. This is more of just like a welcome to the car type video for me and for you. I'm gonna have a quick look around it. I'll get the startup sound and everything. Yeah, this is my first time seeing it, so I'm just going to check it out and speak to the driver, and I'll speak to you guys again in a second. Okay, so I've just gone through a quick look over the car. It all seems to be in pretty good condition. We've got some nice Pirelli P0 tyres. Just taking the suspension on the trailer down now so we can sort of, I guess, extend it, lower it down, and get the car off. It's finished in Santorini black. You can see it's been delivered down. It definitely needs a good clean, but it all seems to be in really, really nice condition. So we're just putting the various ramps down. We've got one here, one there. I think it's going to go probably on the end here. Now taking the ties away from the wheels to unsecure the car. I'm looking forward to hearing it for the first time, to be honest. So the delivery driver's just getting inside to start the car out. This is the very first time I'm going to hear it. I'm also going to wait to reveal the sort of interior spec to myself and to you as well. Just want to focus on getting the car off the ramp, hearing it for the very first time. That is a very genuine laugh. That is not a YouTube laugh at all. Right, so I actually waited for the chat with the delivery van to sort of get it off. I didn't want to put them under too much pressure. So this is it, my new car, a Jaguar F-type V6 S. Just looking around it, looks like it's in pretty good condition. Like I told you before, this is the very first time I've actually seen this car in the flesh. I'm not going to go through any of the spec today really, other than the fact that it's got a supercharged V6 right under there, 375 brake horsepower, rear-wheel drive, and it has a limited slip differential at the rear as well. This is a pretty highly spec'd car. It's got a lot of really nice options that I'll go through in detail in a sort of follow-up video I'm going to make to this. But yeah, this is it. I kind of can't believe it. I've driven lots of different cars and sort of had my little road test videos and different things, and it kind of feels like this is happening, I suppose, but hasn't sunk in that this is actually my car, a car that I wanted for basically 5 years, and now somehow I actually have it. Yeah, there we go. So I just had to jump into my car. The weather today is an absolute nightmare. It's gone from it's gone from rain to sunny to now hail, which is an absolute disaster. I don't want to show you too much of here, just because I want to keep it really, so I can go through it properly. But generally speaking, I'm really, really happy with this car. I cannot believe I own an F-type V6 S. If you've been following and you've been looking at me on Instagram and everything, you guys have absolutely no idea just the crap that's been going on behind the scenes in my life, and you have no idea. And I don't want to make this preachy and annoying, you know, because this is, so what, let's not do that. But for me, this is, everyone has their own little accomplishments in life. And yes, I'm financing this car, I haven't bought it outright, I don't have, you know, however much it was. But even just being able to be in a position where I can comfortably finance this car, for me is an achievement. And it can be anything for you. Maybe you're into cars, maybe you're into aircraft, property, maybe you're into antiques. There'll be something that, watches for example, there'll be some watch or some antique, a Claris Cliff or some sort of old Rolex Speedmaster or something that you've been looking at it for so long and just thinking about it, and you've maybe gone into an antique shop and seen it for yourself, and you're just like, I have to acquire that. And there's a something. And ownership in life, I'm getting probably a bit too heavy now, but ownership in life is temporary anyway. So in a lot of ways it doesn't really matter if you're financing something, as long as you can do it comfortably. And I can do this comfortably. It's the first time since starting this channel that I can do this, so it just feels good, to be honest, it feels good. So, it was quite a short video, I imagine. I will update you properly and show you the car properly in the next video, in the sort of spec video. The weather isn't really appropriate for me to like do a proper video. I don't have any inside space where I can show you this really. So wait for a brighter sunny day, and then I will, yeah, I'll give you a proper look. So thank you for everyone who has been just sticking by, watching, even though I haven't been uploading very much, just still commenting. I see the same people, really appreciate you. And to everyone new, welcome to the channel, and yeah, this is, hopefully I'm going to be able to make some really good content with this car. So anyway, thanks for watching, and please subscribe for all the latest content. See you later.